Welcome back everyone to another Mystery Bags of Profit. I believe this is number 4, if I'm not mistaken. And again, we got more toy bags. These things cost super cheap. I don't know exactly what's in them. Basically, I just kind of scan through. If I see something out of the corner of my eye, I'm like, oh, I think that might be worth it. I'll pick the bag up. So we have 4 bags. Total cost of all 4 bags this time is $13 again, which I think was the same price as the last bags. So about $13 total for all 4 bags. And let's get into it. We'll open these bags and see if we can pull any profit out of them. All right, we got a little speedboat. It's from Paw Patrol. Might be worth it. I have other Paw Patrol toys. I might combine them in a bundle and sell them all together. All right, what do we got? Okay, we got Fisher-Price Doctor's Toys. Oh, what the heck is this? All right, pair of like jetpack. Aha, it's the back of the thing I just pulled. Yep, there it is. A Star Wars Transformer. Damn, how the hell do you do this? Jetpack and you get the missile and then you can shoot it. That's pretty sweet. That's gonna sell really well. I mean, who the hell, especially after The Mandalorian, the reveal that Boba Fett was in the show. This baby is gonna sell pretty well. Next bag. Some more toys here. Boom, let's check it out. Got a Rubik's Cube already. Alright, this is why I think I got it. I recognize it's from Disney Cars. Check it out. It's like a transformer or something. He like turns and twists. I'm not sure what it is. 16. I think I'm gonna look this up. It's probably gonna sell pretty well. Alright, we got a Rubik's Cube. Oh, it's actually a Rubik's Cube. I don't know if this makes any money, but wow, that turns smooth. Holy shit, that's a smooth turner. Little seahorse. This is a wooden train. It's called Coco. It's from Chuggington. It's like a show. It's an older show. And it's a wooden train set. These can go for quite a bit, so I'm going to look him up as well. So again, I have 4 bags. I only need to beat $13 total in profit in order for this all to be worth it. So I probably found something in that bag to make a little bit of that money up. Maybe I made $10 out of that bag. Pretty good. I only need to make three more dollars. So we got 2 more bags. These are all plushes, stuffed animals. I don't know what's in here. I think I looked at one of them and I was like, yep, I'll get that. It might be worth something. Angry Birds. He's in real good condition, actually. Don't make them anymore. So Angry Birds plushes. This guy's definitely going to make some money. I've sold one of these. It was like the King Pig for like 25 bucks. So I think he's going to make some money. All right, these are Yoo-Hoo Friends. It's kind of like a ripoff of like Beanie Babies. And we got a carrot from Jellycat. Ooh, Jellycat. So Jellycat is a plush company. Again, they make some good ones. I always look Jellycat up. You never know what the hell you might get. Maybe the carrot's worth something. So I think we're doing pretty good. I think we made profit already off of the 3 bags. We still got the last bag to go. Yeah, orange teddy bear. I already know he's not worth anything. Going in the garbage. These are Disney Tsum Tsum. These guys could be worth something. I'll look them up. The thing with these things is like maybe there's a limited edition only released at San Diego Comic-Con or something like that. You never know. I'm going to look them up because I don't want to just throw them out. It's Disney. I don't think he's worth anything. Most of the time those Tsum Tsums are not worth anything. These little guys, they look like this, but sometimes there's limited editions and you never know what you find. You never know if you come across one. Little smiley face, not worth anything. What's this guy? It's a little panther. I always look up the tag. Not a name brand. Throwing them out. Not worth it. All right. This, though, is a rainbow armadillo. So if I notice a pretty rare animal, peacocks, armadillos, snow leopards maybe, something that's like a rare animal, I'll take a look at it because rare animal plushes can sometimes go for quite a bit because they're endangered animals or they're rare. They don't really, it's not like another dog plush or bear or something like that. The thing is too, it's a Webkins. So Webkins is a plush thing where they actually come with these codes and you can play this like online game where you type in the code and you get him in like a virtual pet form and you get to play the games with him and you also get a plush. So Webkins, if you get the right one, can be worth quite a bit. This is a special Webkinz because usually they just do like, it's a typical cat or an elephant or a rhino. The fact that it's a rainbow armadillo and it's a Webkinz, I know he's special. I know he's different and he could be worth some money. So that's why I picked him up, and I think he's going to be worth quite a bit. Maybe 10 to 20 bucks, but still profits off of the dollar, you know, off the bag. Only cost me 13 bucks. So that was all 4 bags.